I found the perfect recipe for a delicious no-bake dessert. Take a pack of vanilla-flavored biscuits, break the biscuits into pieces in the blender cup. Grind until you get fine biscuit powder. Put the ground biscuits into a large bowl. Melt a few cubes of butter in the microwave. Pour the melted butter into the bowl and mix well with a spoon. Put the mixture into a spring-form pan lined with baking paper. Flatten the mixture with the bottom of a glass to obtain a dense biscuit base. Put the pan in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Remove the biscuit base from the pan. Line the spring-form pan with baking paper and wrap half of the pan with a few layers of cling film. It is important to wrap the pan as tightly as possible so that the cream does not leak. Put a few sachets of vanilla-flavored pudding powder into the saucepan. Add sugar and mix a little. While continuously whisking, pour milk into the saucepan. Boil the cream, stirring continuously until it thickens for 8 minutes. You need to obtain a smooth cream without lumps. Pour the cream into 2 bowls. In 1 bowl with cream, add dark chocolate and mix until it melts. Pour the chocolate cream into the spring-form pan, placed vertically. Put the pan in the freezer for 2 hours. Pour into the pan the cream from the second bowl. Level the cream layer with a spatula. Put the pan in the freezer for 2 hours. Put ice in the glass. Cut a lime into thin slices and put a few slices in the glass among the ice cubes. Cut a strawberry into slices in the same way and add to the glass. Cut the stems off a few large strawberries, then chop finely. Put the strawberries into the saucepan with sugar. Pour in water and mix a little. Put the saucepan on the heat, stir with a spoon until the sugar dissolves, and boil the compote covered for a few minutes. Strain the compote through a sieve. Pour compote into the glass. Fill the glass with sparkling water and stir gently. Take the pan out of the freezer. Cut the cling film and remove the set cream from the springform pan. Peel the film off the edge of the cream. Using 2 spatulas, place the cream over the biscuit base. Do not rush, and remove the spatulas carefully, one at a time, so as not to damage the appearance of the cake. It is an attractive and delicious dessert, perfect for any occasion or for days when you crave something sweet, but you neither have too much time to spend in the kitchen nor feel like turning on the oven.